My name's Christy Conda from Miller Motorcars, Alfa Romeo of Greenwich, and today we have two very special 8Cs featured with us. On my left, we have the Alfa Romeo 8C Competizione and the Alfa Romeo 8C Spider. The Alfa Romeo 8C is a very special and rare car. Only 1,000 cars were produced, 90 coupes made it to the US, with 35 Spiders. Starting with the 8C Spider, the car is finished in the beautiful Rosso Competizione paint with the beautiful 20-inch dark silver wheels as an option. The interior of the car is finished over Terra di Siena with yellow stitching embossed in the bolsters of the seats. Now we're taking a look at the 8C Coupe. This car is also finished in Rosso Competizione with narrow interior and Rosso stitching. The 8C has a 4.7-liter naturally aspirated V8 that produces 444 horsepower and a 0 to 60 of 4.2 seconds. Both engines are finished with carbon fiber hood bonnets and carbon fiber accents to match. On the exterior of the 8C Competizione, we have the Quadrifoglio Verde badge, which signifies all of Alfa Romeo's racing heritage dating back to the early 1920s on all of their exclusive high-performance vehicles. You'll notice right away that the 8C Competizione Coupe offers more storage space because it does not need room for the convertible top. So with this available space, you'll be able to store 2 overnight bags as your luggage. Thank you guys so much for joining us today to go over both interior and exterior of the 8C Competizione and the 8C Spider. For more information on both of these vehicles, please give us a call at 203-629-3890 or stop by our showroom, which is located at 338 West Putnam Avenue in Greenwich, Connecticut, or send myself an email at kconda@millermotorcars.com.